Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw subtitles from YouTube Studio for edited videos step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the content option to view your uploaded videos. Find the edited video from which you want to withdraw the subtitles. Hover over the video thumbnail and click on the Details button. In the Video Details page, look for the Subtitles tab on the left side. Click on the Subtitles tab to access the subtitle options for your video. You will see a list of available subtitles, including automatic and manually uploaded ones. Choose the subtitle track you want to download by clicking on it. After selecting the track, look for the three dots icon or a similar menu option. Click on the three dots icon to reveal additional options. From the drop-down, select Download. The subtitles will typically download in a .srt or .vtt file format. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's Downloads folder. Now, you can open, edit, or use the subtitles as needed. To edit the subtitles, use a text editor or a specialized subtitle software. Make the necessary adjustments to the subtitle text as required. Save the changes to ensure you have the latest version of the subtitles. You have now successfully withdrawn subtitles from YouTube Studio for your edited video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.